Everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video. And on today's video, I will be showing you how to log into BBSI employee account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you're comfortable with. Then on the search URL, type in BBSI employee login. Once you press enter on your keyboard, that will take you to multiple search results. Now, in order to log into employee account, click on this third link on your interface that says Employee Self-Service Portal. Click on that. That will directly take you to this login page of BBSI. Now, in order to log in, first of all, enter your valid employee login ID. And under that, enter your correct password. In case you forgot your password, click on this forgot your password link and that will help you to recover your password. Now if you are done typing in your employee ID and your password, click on this sign in button and on the next page you will be successfully logged into your employee account if your login credentials is correct and valid. And that's how you can log into BBSI employee account. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.